Hello Kickserv friends! Today I will tell you how to add or change the business logo of your Kickserv account. First, be sure your image file is the closest to a square as possible, such as this one, and that is in GIF, JPEG or PNG format. Then, to add a logo, go to Settings, then Company Logo, click on Choose a new logo file, browse for the desired file, and finally click on Update Settings. And here you have your new logo. And to update your logo for a new one, you need to follow the same steps. Go to Settings, Company Logo, and click on Choose a new logo file, select it, and click on Update Settings. If your new logo doesn't appear, take a moment to clear your browser cache and try again. That will be all for today. I hope this information is useful for everyone. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our multiple platforms if you haven't. Bye bye everyone!